In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Adobe InDesign. By the end, you'll confidently remove the app using the built-in Windows tools without any guesswork. Before we begin, make sure InDesign is closed and that you've saved any work related to it. You may also be asked for administrator permission during the process, which is normal for uninstalling software. Start by opening the Windows search. You can do this by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard or by clicking the search box on your taskbar. This is the quickest way to find the system tools we need. In the search field, type Control Panel, then open the Control Panel app from the results. Don't worry if you also see the Modern Settings app. For this method, you specifically want the classic Control Panel. Once Control Panel is open, look for the section labeled Programs and click Uninstall a Program. On some systems, it may appear as Programs and Features. They lead to the same place, a list of all installed applications on your computer. You'll now see a list of programs. To make things easier, you can sort by name or use the search box in the top right corner of the window. Look for Adobe InDesign in the list. If you have multiple versions installed, pick the one you no longer need. It will typically be listed as Adobe InDesign along with a year or version number. When you found Adobe InDesign, right-click it to open the context menu. This view gives you a straightforward way to access the uninstall option without accidentally opening anything else. From that menu, click Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to make changes to your device. Choose Yes to continue. The Adobe Uninstaller will launch and guide you through the remaining steps. Follow the on-screen prompts. If you are asked whether to remove preferences or user settings, choose what's best for you. Keep them if you plan to reinstall later and want your settings back, or remove them if you want a completely clean slate. Give the uninstaller a few minutes to complete. Avoid closing Windows or restarting your computer while it's working. When it finishes, you should see a confirmation, and Adobe InDesign will disappear from the list of installed programs. If the tool suggests a restart, go ahead and allow it so changes are fully applied. That's it. You've successfully uninstalled Adobe InDesign using Control Panel. If you ever need it again, you can reinstall it later. For now, enjoy the extra space and a cleaner system. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.